Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Watch the video until the end to see the interior shots, exterior shots, and the full review. The Porsche 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 and Boxster GTS 4.0 arrived to tempt enthusiasts by packing a 4.0-litre naturally aspirated flat-six engine and exclusively running through a 6-speed manual gearbox. If the 718 Cayman GT4 and 718 Boxster Spyder are too extreme or expensive for your tastes, then this pair might be the ultimate Porsche to fulfill a person's driving desires. The 4.0-litre flat-six in these models produces 394 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. The redline is at 7,800 revolutions per minute. For comparison, the version of this mill in the Cayman GT4 and Boxster Spyder produces 414 horsepower and 309 pound-feet, meaning that 718 GTS 4.0 buyers give up just 20 horsepower versus the range-topping models. According to Porsche, the tune of the 4.0-litre engine in the new 718 GTS 4.0 models can get the vehicles to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds and a top speed of 182 miles per hour. This is just a blink of an eye slower than the Cayman GT4 and Boxster Spyder that require 4.2 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The 718 GTS 4.0 models also come with a wide array of performance-oriented standard features. The Porsche Active Suspension Management System drops the ride height by 0.79 inches in comparison to the standard variants of these models. They also boast Porsche torque vectoring with a mechanical limited slip differential. The front brakes now measure 350 mm and 330 mm at the rear. Ceramic composite brake discs are also an option. The unique exterior touches for these models include a black front lip spoiler, fascia, and revised lower bumper design. The vehicles ride on 20-inch wheels with a satin black finish. Inside, the 718 GTS 4.0 gets Porsche Sport Seats Plus. Black Alcantara covers the center sections of the chairs, in addition to the steering wheel, center console, gearshift, and door panels. For the Cayman, Alcantara is on the A-pillars and headliner, too. The 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 and 718 Boxster GTS 4.0 go on sale in the United States in summer 2020. Porsche isn't disclosing the pricing for them yet, but expect a figure to be higher than the T-trim and less than the GT4 Spyder. With this in mind, we'd put the starting cost in the high $80,000 range.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.